So I'm going to explain how to use calculator in this video. So this video is basically for kids who have not yet know how to use calculators. So this is an electronic calculator actually. This is not the hardware the calculator that we get in shops. This is inbuilt in my computer, or it can be built in your mobile phones too. So if you even don't know how to use this, then this video will surely help for that. So calculator is basically a machine. Calculator is basically a machine with which we can calculate large numbers in just a fraction of seconds. Like, let's say that I want to calculate 99 multiplied by 99. So I will just type a here 99 just as I have, then will click on the multiply sign, and then again type 99, and then I will get this answer as this. When we can use this for getting a percentage, we can use it for having a square root and cube and square. So let's say I say 4 squared, so it gives me the answer as 16. So you know that 4 squared is 16, and I would like to say that calculator is never wrong. So let me divide 85 by 15. So 85 by 15. Oops, 85 divided by 15. So this will result in 5.66666666, and so approximately 5.7. So in this way it has given us a very accurate 85 divided by 15 answer. Now let's take another last 45 plus 65, so 110. So this is the calculator, and it is a very useful tool, but it should not be used in school ages, but it is mostly used to calculate extra large data. Thank you.